Today we're sharing our favorite zucchini bread recipe. Hi and welcome back. You can find the complete recipe and instructions on the DIY Craft Club website. Start with 1½ cups of sifted flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 2½ teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of your favorite nutmeg. Set that aside. Into a larger bowl, add 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of lightly packed brown sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and give that a stir. And now you can add in 1 cup of grated zucchini and stir again. Now add the dry ingredients and stir just until incorporated. You don't want to overstir this. Pour your batter into a greased and floured bread dish and bake for about 45 minutes. But do check on it around 30 to 40 minutes to see how it's doing. It's all ready when a toothpick comes out clean. It smells so good in here, you guys. If you do try this recipe, let us know how it turned out for you. Till next time, have a delicious day, everyone.